In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Substack. If you're looking to find specific content, writers, or topics on Substack, knowing how to effectively search the platform can make the experience far more rewarding. Let's walk through the easy steps to do just that. First, start by logging into your Substack account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to set up, but assuming you're already a member, simply enter your login credentials and you'll find yourself on the Substack homepage. It's always a good idea to make sure you're logged in so you have full access to all the features the platform has to offer. Now, once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top. You'll notice a search bar sitting right there, ready for you to use. This is your primary tool for delving into the extensive world of Substack content. It can be easy to overlook, but this search bar is key to finding exactly what you're interested in. Let your curiosity guide you as you think about what you're looking for. Maybe it's a fascinating topic like artificial intelligence, or a hot button subject such as politics, or perhaps you're in the mood for something lighter like cooking. Whatever it is, simply type it into the search bar. It's the same if you're looking for a specific publication or writer, just type the name and the search bar will start working its magic. Once you've entered your search term, hit the enter key. This action tells Substack you're ready to explore the content related to your search. It's like opening a door to a vast library where each section is tailored to your interests and desires. What happens next is that a list will appear showcasing matching publications and posts. This comprehensive list is gathered based on your search input, offering you a variety of options to sift through. Even if your search term is broad, Substack does a great job of narrowing down relevant content, helping you find the perfect piece to read, and that's essentially all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently navigate Substack and discover articles, newsletters, and essays that resonate with your interests. Searching on Substack is a powerful way to engage with new authors and subjects, often leading you down enriching rabbit holes you might not have previously considered. So go ahead and give it a try after this video. Open up your Substack account, utilize the search bar, and dive into the world of unique and diverse content available on Substack. Happy exploring, and thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow tutorials.